Yo, what is up? What's been happening? Welcome back to another episode of Those Car Dudes. Nathan got new wheels on his E36. Very exciting. Nathan, what are these wheels?
I got some BBS LMs and I'm super hyped on them. They're 8-inch wide in the front, 9-inch in the back.
They look really good.
Have a look.
I absolutely love the color combination,
Thank
Nathan.
you.
I think they just look so good on the car, but Nathan, there's a bit of a problem.
Yes, there is. There's some hectic ass rubbing issues in the back. The guards just cannot handle the jandal. So, what are we gonna do?
Nathan, we're gonna roll your guards in the rear. Well, roll, we're actually gonna tuck them, so let's get into it. So we have two wheels off the floor, we have both the rear wheels off the floor, Nathan, and well, what are we doing now?
Well, now we're gonna clean out all the dirt inside the inner lip of the guard. So if this is the guard here, it actually hooks around like that, and you've got a whole lot of dirt and gravel and things that get built up in there. And so we wanna clean that out. We wanna put some under sealer in there, and then we're gonna heat up the guard and roll it. And that means that it won't rust in there later down the line, and our guards will be in good shape for a very long time to come. So, let's get into it. Amazing!
So what we have is some sort of rubber or foam that we have underneath the guard, and well, we're going to heat it up and try to take it off.
Yes, it's becoming a bit of a problem. It's hard to get out of there. It's been in there for a long time, so let's give it a shot. We've just finished up cleaning the inside of this guard. JD's doing the other one as I'm talking. But we basically used a flathead and a heat gun to get all the gunk out, and also a little wire wheel so on a Dremel. So we cleaned out all the rubber sealant. Honestly, it's just like big chunks of rubber coming out everywhere. As you can see, there's heaps under there, so it took a little while. But now we're gonna put some under sealer under there, then we're gonna heat up the guard again and then roll them. So we finished scraping out all the old sealant that they had put in here from the factory underneath the guard, and we chucked some under sealer under there. So if JD, if you want to pop the camera under there and have a look. Oh. So we've under sealed all under here to make sure that it doesn't rust. And now we've left it for a few hours. It's not 100% dry, but it should be fine. We're gonna roll these guards flat, chuck my wheels on, and go for a drive. Before we start heating up the guard, what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the guard roller onto the hub, but because this car is lowered, the hub is really close to the guard, which means the guard roller won't fit. So what we're going to do, we're going to drop the hub by undoing the shock bolt, and that will allow us to fit the roller and well, start heating up and start rolling. Start. Now that we have the hub drop, we can use this jack to support it as we're rolling the guards. Now Nathan, we've done some guard rolling before on an E36, haven't we? Yes, we have.
Oh, bring back the low fat, Nathan.
The starts got you, bro. The starts by got you.
Their work complete, are headed back to the lab. Testing, 1, 2.
Diane, it is 4:28 a.m.
We should have something for us by now.
That's mean. JD,
Yeah.
really like it, bro. Well
Really
done.
good.
My car probably won't ever be as low as the low fat, but it was a great time while it lasted.
Nathan, all you have to do is get some 16s and some E30 lowering springs.
And then it'll just slam it.
Be low fat.
Low fat.
For those of you that don't know, it has been negative 20 degrees here in New Zealand
That is
the last
not
couple
true.
of days. And, well, Nathan, we're going to try and heat up this guard just so we can get it to a temperature where we can actually start rolling and start tucking it. We won't roll it too much because we want to keep that line nice and straight, keep it OEM for the boys, and, yeah.
Fit them wheels, cuz.
Put some wheels, cuz.
What are you doing now, JD?
You're going to have to go drop the handbrake, Nathan.
Bro, is that a light? Oh my gosh. There's a light on your guard roller.
Wow.
I mean on your heat gun. That is so cool.
Temperature, Nathan?
60 degrees.
60.
60 degrees Celsius.
That's going to be nice and hot, Nathan.
Whew. Time to start rolling, JD.
That's Nathan.
Yeah.
The guards are all tucked up nicely. There's still a bit of a plastic piece found on most E36s. Well, every E36, unless you take out your inner guard, Nathan. But anyway, you can see where it has been rubbing. So what we're going to do is we're just going to trim that piece off, which will give it a little bit more room for the wheel to move around in, which means once we get that off, we're done, Nathan.
Mean.
And we get the wheel back on, see the rubs.
Yeah, boy.
Nathan, I don't have a real good history with craft knives.
No, you don't.
Do you have a video of me in the hospital with it?
I do.
Oh wow. Cut to that right now.
What happened, bro? That is quite deep.
So would you ever buy like a GTR or like or like a Supra or anything like that? No?
Don't know what it is.
Skyline R35. Most doctors have one, don't they?
Just cut a hole in my car, bro.
Yeah, bro.
Who are you? JD has cut a big hole in my car so my wheels won't rub. Thank you, JD.
Not the first time that's happened, Nathan.
No, true.
No, actually that is the first time that's ever happened.
That is also true.
Because you've got a hole in my car.
That is true. Yes, so many things are true.
The favor, bro.
Thanks, man.
I'm doing, man.
So now JD is going to jack up the hub into place and put the bolt through the bottom of the shock. Tighten that up. Chuck the wheel on. Yeah, boy. Actually, we need to do the other side. And then we'll chuck the wheels on. And we're ready to go, yo. JD, what's your biggest tip in guard rolling?
My biggest tip?
Yeah.
Go to auto stance.
Go to Otis and
They
get
actually
in
know how to do it properly.
That's where JD works, so he actually does this for a job. The professionals.
Do you remember the wagon, Nathan?
Yeah.
Do you remember how we rolled the guards on the wagon?
Yeah, we were at a campsite and we had no heat gun, but for some reason we had a guard roller in the back and we were camping and the car was just rubbing
On literally every single corner, and so we just jacked it up in the campsite, got the guard roller out, just rolled the heck out of them.
those guards were like flat, bro.
Nah, they were they were rolled, but then they were pushed up like that.
They were literally pushed out like that. They came down and they were just like, whoop.
Something we've realised, we kind of went too hard on this last fender. It's actually like a bit of a ramp, hey? It's
Get a tech deck on there and just skate it, bro. It's all good.
Absolutely disgusting guard rolling job, but we've learned since then, haven't we, JD?
Yes, Nathan.
And how cool was the slam wagon?
How cool.
It was mean.
Average, that's why I sold it too soon. Okay.
Oh, I miss it. I miss it so much. I want your opinion, guys. Chuck down in the comments. Do you like the gold? Or do you think I should change the color? Because
I like the gold, Nathan. I like the gold.
JD likes the gold. I'm on the fence. I like the gold, but it does look a bit Subaru. I don't know, but I'm kind of getting used to it. I kind of like it. So let me know what you think. Chuck it down in the comments. Let me know what color I should paint the centers. And gosh,
Sell this and get a Subaru, Nathan.
that is the coolest hairdryer I've ever seen. Honestly, it has a light on it.
What would you do if I
Has
did
a
that
light.
and all my hair just went?
I'd laugh. And it also tells you, oh sorry, oh my gosh, that is hot. Oh wow. Look, do you know how hot it is though? It's 60 degrees hot.
Do my
Because
job, Nathan.
Because it has a gauge and a light. Amazing.
Here I am, just trying to do your guys, right? So you just relax.
I will.
Out here, just find a spot to relax. This looks nice. Oh.
Work hard, play hard, they say.
Not what they say.
Yes, it is. JD just put the first wheel on. Bro, give me a high five. Yes, I'm so excited. Wheels are on and there's heaps of room under there now. No sign of that rubbing. As you can see, it was wearing against the sidewall a bit before, but now there's plenty of room under there. Shot, JD.
Let's go for a drive, man.
Oh, man.
See if she actually rubs.
This is the real test. Country road, and we'll see if it rubs on here. Oh, I think I heard a bit of rub.
But driving it now, what do you think? Like, is
Oh,
it?
it's a million times better than it was.
Dude, that was all
I think we're good. I think we're good, bro. I think we're in the clear,
I
right?
think it might be touching a little bit.
Maybe just a tiny bit.
The wheels on the car, they look amazing, and Nathan, they don't rub anymore.
I know, they don't, and they look so cool.
How
Thank
exciting.
you so much for all your hard work, JD, and thank you to Autostarts for lending me your employee today.
Another day in the office.
My car looks so cool! Oh my gosh, I love it. And now I can go for a cruise with my friends and go around corners and bumps and stuff, and it's not gonna be like every
It's a
single time.
horrible noise,
It's
Nathan.
a horrible noise.
A whole lot of other projects that we're working on, so make sure you check them out in our other videos. Make sure you follow us on Instagram, hit
that
that
up.
sub button, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out. Not everybody is rich enough to afford a Tesla, and that's why, well, Nathan, you got some tips over here on how to save some fuel.